To activate Hey Google on a Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to open our settings. Then we can scroll down and keep looking for Google services. When you enter it, you can move to All Services and then Search Assistant and Voice. Right here, select Hey Google and Voice Match. And you can switch on Hey Google with that switch. Then follow the setup. You will need to perform a few things. I'm going to show you that. And our Google Assistant will be active. So I couldn't actually show you that. I can go retrain my voice model. And now we need to say the lines that are right here to perform our voice match. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And here's our Hey Google activated and fully functional.